Hello, welcome back, guys. This is Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. My name remains Faith Abraham. I want to teach you the other style, the other way you can achieve your flay for your turban cap. Okay, this flay design. I've taught us the first way of achieving this, so I want to teach us the second way of achieving this. Okay, all right. So you get your fabric. Okay, you fold into two like this. Into two like this, okay, and then you fold it like this again, like this, so you have somewhat like a triangle. Yeah, okay. So the fold, you fold into two like this, and then you fold back. Okay, I'm trying to manage the fabric, but it will give us what we want. So you get your tape roll. Okay, your work starts at this place where you have this point, like a triangular point. Okay, this is Fashion Boss Innovations Academy, the best online trainers. Follow us on Instagram at Fashion Boss Innovation, at Facebook Fashion Boss Innovation. Join our Facebook group where we teach ourselves different styles and trending patterns. All right, so you get your tape roll to get your radius. You just measure. Let me not bore you guys with all the terminologies, okay? You can just measure two. You place your tape roll like this. Watch what I'm doing. Like this. And measure 2 inches. You just mark where your tape roll says 2. Alright? You move it here. You mark where your tape roll says 2 inches. Okay. This is called radius, but don't bother. Just get your measurements. All you need to do is to place your measurements on this tape. Okay, you see it like this. You place your measurement like this, so you get your 2 inches. You can extend it, you can make it 3, 4. It all depends on how big your fabric is, and that depends on how big you want the flay to be. Do we understand? So you measure your 2 inches. This is Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. Beware of video grabbers. You bring it here again, you get your 2 inches, and then you curve round. Okay, you curve the 2 inches you've marked, you curve it round because you are going to cut at that point. You curve it round, then you come back to this edge and measure 5. Okay, you can make it 6, you can make it 7. It all depends on how big you want your flay to be. You come again, you measure 5. Okay, you measure your 5. You curve it round. You bring your marked points together to get a curve. Okay, to get a curve. So after you've gotten your curve, you grab your scissors. You just cut round like this. At that point where you chalked or marked, just cut round. As you can see, to give you a circle, you don't need this. All right, then you go down to where you chalked as 5. I forgot to use my zigzag scissors, but it's fine. And this is what you will have, a circle. Okay, this is what you will have. So I'll just use my zigzag scissors and trim it. So I've used my zigzag scissors to trim it around. Okay, so at this point you repeat the same thing we did on the first pattern. Okay, you grab your needle and thread, and then run stitches on this part. Okay, to form your girders. This is Fashion Boss Innovation. I remain Faith Abraham. Thank you for your recommendation, your referrals. Thank you for inviting us for seminars. You know, you just run your stitches around this way. We offer both online and physical training. Okay. After running your stitches, you pull. Okay. You pull. So it's left for you to choose which pattern is easy for you. So, and this is what we have. This is a circle. Okay. This is what we have. Okay, so this is a flay. The bigger your fabric, the bigger the flay. Okay, so this is what we have. At this point, you attach your brooch or your, what do you call it, roses, anything you want here. You already made turban. You've already made it, and then you decorate your turban with sets. All right, and you are good to go. This is the other one. So it depends on what you want, totally. Thank you for staying tuned. I remain Faith Abraham, Fashion Boss Innovation. God bless you. Peace out.